Hi, sir.
Hi.
Myself, Sadik from Industry Relations Department. So, first of all, thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation and coming for a guest lecture on this smart agriculture topic. So, today, the session which you have delivered is simply superb, sir, and all the students are very happy. So, here are some of our agriculture engineering department students who wants to interact with you for a few questionnaire rounds, sir.
Sure.
Hi sir, this is
Hi.
Sabita. I'm from AGB Tech second year. So, what are the problems faced by farmers during IoT adopting, and how can they overcome?
So farmers basically they are very less to the mobile devices and all. So getting adoption it will take some time, but right now farmers mostly using Android-based smartphones. So in such a way that they can slowly evolve using these apps. Where main interaction with the farmer is through apps only. So apps are very much required when when telling about the farmer. So it's the company need to also very MNC companies also should focus on building apps in such a way that farmers are easily using the apps.
Hi sir, this is Vasavi from Agriculture Engineer first year. So, can you share a real world success story where IoT significance improved in agriculture yield?
Yeah, so there are many cases where farmers are actually using IoTs. So we can see like sensor where farmers can predict the irrigation right amount of moisture available in the soil. There are many cases. There are many MNC companies that are working and building these kind of devices that can predict the soil moisture level and actually give predictions to the farmer on the weather also. So in such a way, farmer's yield also can be improved. And also based on this moisture level, farmers can irrigate the plot based on the required water level only. Unless they go for excess irrigation, they can actually save a lot of money and also a lot of time for the irrigation.
Hello, sir. This is Prasad from Agriculture Engineering third year. And what are the techniques used for IoT device for data transformation in real-time farming areas?
Getting field level data from the field is very critical, and also transferring the data to the farmer level is very crucial because farmers should get the inputs from the field level. So we use basically Android based applications so that farmer can easily download the applications in his mobile and can monitor the various levels of what he's actually interested in. So you can say like farming basically requires a lot of climatic data and moisture level. So these two, when the sensors are installed, so it can only be transmitted through a device you can say SIM based, we can enable through it and we can actually get the data real time on his mobile.
Hi sir, I'm Srijit. So I want to know that how truly the IoT is used in farming and how what kind of innovations are we expecting in future regarding this smart farming and using IoT in our farming?
Okay. So many IoT devices are already existing in the farm field. So it can be horticulture crops or it can be forest species. So a lot of IoT devices are currently being used to predict future analysis and also to estimate the crop economics. So because the more he irrigates the plot, the more he does intercultural activities, the more yield is achieved. But the precise farming is the one place where actually farmer, if the real-time data is given to the farmer through IoT enabled devices, so he can actually do precise farming where he can save a lot of money in fertilizer application or irrigation and also in many other ways that could help the farmer based on his crop variety.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable insights to the students. So, definitely, we are so happy to glad to have you here, and definitely we'll meet in the future and work together, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.